The new gun legislation intended to counter the recent Supreme Court ruling which allowed people to carry a concealed handgun in New York for personal protection. Sharon Crowley joins us now to break down exactly what this new legislation does. Sharon.
Yes, Steve, these new gun laws prohibit carrying concealed weapons in crowded places like Times Square and the subway. It also imposes new restrictions for getting a handgun license, and that includes a review of the applicant's social media.
Our state will continue to keep New Yorkers safe from harm, even despite this setback from the Supreme Court.
New York Governor Kathy Hochul is signing legislation to strengthen gun laws and bolster restrictions on concealed carry weapons. She called Albany lawmakers back for a special session after the U.S. Supreme Court struck down New York's concealed carry law. The governor and Democrats who control the legislature creating a list of so-called sensitive places where concealed weapons would not be allowed.
I believe we have hit that mark and will make New York safer.
Weapons would be prohibited in Times Square, on public transportation, schools, libraries, daycares, playgrounds, parks, zoos, places of worship, hospitals, and all healthcare facilities. The ban also applies to government buildings, sporting and entertainment venues, and places where alcohol or cannabis is consumed, and in businesses unless the owner posts a sign allowing concealed guns. Getting a concealed carry permit would now require 15 hours of training at a firing range, background checks for buying ammunition, and handgun applicants would also need to provide information from social media accounts dating back 3 years to flag any dangerous behavior.
Sometimes they're telegraphing their intent to cause harm to others, and we saw that in Buffalo.
New York State senators and state assembly members spent hours debating during this special session.
I think it is unconstitutional. I think it will be challenged.
Republicans repeatedly objecting, saying these restrictions punish law-abiding gun owners.
I think it really is going to criminalize people who should not be criminalized, and at the same time not address the sincere problems with violence that we have in our communities all across the state.
Well, the governor and lawmakers also reacting to the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade. They passed a resolution to add language to the state's Equal Rights Amendment, making it against the law to discriminate against pregnancy outcomes and reproductive health care. Lori and Steve.
All right, Sharon, thank you.